Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can log out from Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my navigator. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the search bar and then search for Pandabuy. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the first link. And then once you click on Pandabuy link, if you are not logged into your account, you're going to be directed to this page. So basically guys, this is the login page. If you already have an account, you can enter the informations about your account, enter the verification code, and then click on login. Under it, you're going to find forget password and sign up. If you want to create a new account, you can click on sign up. And right here, you're going to find some forms that you need to fill. So right here, you need to choose your country, your username, add your email, your password, and confirm the password. And under it, you're gonna find the verification code. So basically, guys, the verification code is this code. Just make sure that you type this code to prove that you are a human, and then click on I have already read and accept the user registration agreement and privacy statement, and then click on sign up. So I already have an account, but it's a Google account. So right here, you're gonna find continue with Google account or Apple account. So I'm gonna click on Google, and then you're gonna be directed to this page. And then as you can see guys, now log in success. So now I am logged into my account. So right now, in order to log out of your account, just go to the top right corner, click on your account icon, and then right here, you're gonna find user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and lastly, the logout option. Go ahead and click on logout, and as you can see guys, I'm right now logged out from my account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.